Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to add some more details about application into job application screen. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Application Extra Information. First install this module, so click on this Activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Recruitment app, go to any one application and see here. First is education details. You can easily add your degree like MSc IT, Institute, Technology, Institute. Write here passing year like 2022. Add your subject name and grade is A. Next is the work experience. Write here your organization name like company 1. Add here start date and end date. Write here year and responsibility is manager. Next is the certificate. Add your certificate. Now add here certificate name like course 1. Score is 85, passing year 23 and easily upload your file. Next is a social profile link. Add social media type like a Facebook and write here link like fb.com. Add here family details like a member 1. Relationship is a father. Work status is business and age is 48 and second is a member 2. Relation mother. Work status is job and age is 47. Next is injury details like leg injured. Set here injury date, injured body part name like leg, course of injury like caution, fully recovered and about injury description. Next is the medical test and result is a no one. And last is the language no like English. If you too easily read, write and speak, so allow this. Or another language Hindi, read and speak, and Gujarati, read and write. So here you can easily add some more details about your application. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.